I think about the secret of the Village Underside level very often, and it makes me nostalgic for a simpler time. A time when I didn't have to worry about jobs and anxiety and stress. I could just have fun and run around and play with my friends and not feel unhappy. I could run around Yoshi and collect coins under the moon, and it was a simpler time. But then something happens. You have to start applying for jobs. As you apply for software engineering jobs, you're immediately met with a difficult problem. If you take the 47 stars times the 43 coins times the 22 lives I have, you get 44,462. If you convert that without the trailing numbers in 6 and 2, you get a 1BC hexadecimal value, which is equivalent to that number in binary, which is about the number of approximate lives you need to complete this level. And that's about as convoluted as programming interviews go as well. We make it. We get the first interview. We're all happy. We get to the second round, and we fail. We don't get a call back. We get to the second round again after a recent rejection. We just did the interview, and we succeed. We made it. We got to the third round. The third round is a system design interview. We've been studying, preparing. We were so ready, but we fail again. We thought we succeeded, but we failed. Now we're back into the black box of our email inbox, trying to figure out which companies we have applied to, checking our spam folder. We're setting up interviews. We're getting rejected and rejected and rejected. We just can't move forward. We're patient. Nothing's happening. Finally, we get another one. We get another setup for a second interview. We make it. Third interview. We succeed. We pass the system design interview. We pass the technical interview. Now we just have to get an offer. But we get a rejection. And we're back to square one. We have to do it all over again. We have to figure out what companies we're going to apply to. First round done. Second round done. Studying more. Third round done. Hours and hours have gone by studying, preparing, months and months, maybe even years to get to this very moment of getting an offer. We need to get an offer letter where we've passed all interviews. This is it. This is the culmination of all our efforts. We check our email, we get the email, and it's a rejection. And that's what life is.